Hello students, in this video we are going to learn the English workshop of 7th standard from a railway carriage. 2.1 from a railway carriage. Standard 7 English medium. There are all question and answers are in this video. So you have to subscribe the channel and then you will get the notifications of new videos related to your syllabus. Okay, standard 7 2.1 from a railway carriage English workshop. Question number 1. Read the poem aloud with proper rhythm. What does the rhythm remind you of? And the answer, the rhythm of the poem echoes the rhythm of the train with the rhyme scheme suggesting the sense of repetition, the poem being written in a rhyming couplet, that is, witches, ditches, battle, cattle, plain, rain, etc. This meter and rhyme scheme must lend themselves to railway poetry. W.H. Auden's popular Night Mail uses a similar rhythm and the same rhyme scheme as Stevenson's poem. Question number 2. Find pairs of rhyming words from the poem. The rhyming schemes of the poem is like following. In the first stanza, witches, ditches, battle, cattle. In the second stanza, the rhyming words are plain, rain, again, and I buy. In third stanza, rhyming words are scrambles, brambles, gauges, digest. Stanza number 4, the rhyming words are road, load, river, ever. Question number 3, write the followings. In that, number 1, the sights seen through a railway carriage mentioned in the first stanza. Answer, the sights mentioned in the first stanza are bridges, houses, hedges, ditches, meadows, horses, and cattle. Question number 2, the sights mentioned in the second stanza. Answer, the sights mentioned in the second stanza are hills, plains, and painted stations. Question number 3, the sights mentioned in the third stanza. Answer, the sights mentioned in the third stanza are a child gathering bramble, a tram, and green grass. Question number 4, think and answer. Number 1, why are the sights said to fly? Answer, the sights are said to fly to give us an idea of the great speed of the train. Question number 2, does the last line make you happy or sad, and why? The last line makes me sad because I would like to see the sights again and again. Question number 5, list the lines that begin with here and or and here. Also list the sentences or phrases that begin with and here. These phrases and sentences tell us about things that appear on after the other as the carriage moves. Can you tell which one are closer to the train and which ones are at the distance and how? Answer is there. Lines, sentences, phrases begin with here or and here there. Number 1, here is a child, here is a tram, here is a cart, and here is a mill. The items listed in the above lines are closer to the train as they are indicated with the words here. Lines, sentences, phrases begin with and here. Number 1, and here is a green, and there is a river. The items listed in above are at the distance as they are indicated with the word there. Question number 6. Read the following. Charging along like troops in a battle, fly as thick as driving rain. Using your imagination, write one or two comparisons, each with like as. Answer. A child goes to school like a snail. My angry face looks as red as volcano. Question number 7. Write about the sights you may see from a bus or an aeroplane. You may write it in the form of a short poem. Okay, there is a short poem. Answer. There is a bus as red a bus. Runs over the bridge and besides green grass the road, the flowing water. Bus shows us like a runner and traveler fell at there. Question number 8. Find and read are the poems of R.L. Stevenson using the internet. Find other rhythmic poems about train in English or other language. Okay. In answer, there are 2 poems. First poem is R.L. Stevenson's poem. Okay. Bed in summer. In winter, I get up at night and drew by yellow candlelight. In summer, quite the other way, I have to go to bed by day. I have to go to bed and see the birds still hopping on the tree or hear the grown-up people's feet still going past me in the street. And does it not seem hard to you when all the sky is clear and blue and I should like too much to play to have to go to bed by day? And the second poem is there, which is related to railway. The light toy railway. The light toy railway is traveling with the kids who aren't anymore. To Paris, to Brussels, in traveling to the Black Africa to the light toy railway is graving from the floor steps under Christmas tree for the luster in the eyes and oh for the toys, for the bluebirds, for the white photos, for the hand that is putting the little star, for the dreams that coming true, the light toy railway is traveling, traveling, traveling. There are some extra questions for your extra studies. Okay, question number 1. Which are the images that we can construct in mind on reading this poem? The answer is there. The poem presents a series of lifelike images such as a speedy train moving in the midst of meadows, hills and rivers and etc. Number 2, can we compare the speedy movement of the train with the passage of the time? Answer. Some lines from the poem suggest the transience of life such as each a glimpse and gone forever. Number 3, what are the expressions used by the poet to show the amazing speed of the train? Answer. There are several expressions used in the poem to indicate the fast movement of the train, such as faster than ferries, faster than witches, charging alone like troops, fly as thick as driving rain, each a glimpse and gone forever, etc. Number 4, what is the poem about? The poem is about a fast moving train and the people, places and things seen from it. Question number 5, what is the aim of the poet while writing this poem? Answer. To entertain readers with an exciting description of a train ride. Number 6, does the train move through a village or a city? Justify your answer. The train moves in a village like a setting as evident in expressions like sides of the hill and the plains all through the meadow, etc. So in this way, we have seen the English workshop of from a railway carriage. Okay, standard 7. Thank you for watching my video.